ફ્રેન્ડ બનાવો પછી ફ્લિપ કરો બુકને. ડન. Yes.
The book name is Champak.
Yes.
It was first published in September 2010 and its MRP is ₹15.
Yes.
On the front page there is a bulldozer coming and one mouse is holding the roller and saying stop, and the village persons are just watching that scene. Then there are 84 pages in this book.
Yes, excellent.
In which on the last page there is advertisement of Rimbar, and at the last Poppins, Parle Poppins, and there is one story on page number 54 in which one crow and one man is talking about their farm. Means they are good friends, and they are talking about their crops, and then one suddenly one incident has came in which their crops are all finished. Then there are many games like multiplication games, means maths games, then join the dots, and many more. In multiplication game, there are many boxes in which there are one digit like 4 is equal to 64. So what we have to multiply to get 64? So like that. And then there is divide, multiply, add, subtract, all these type of games in this book. Means it is a type of a comic. We can't say it as a book, not a story book, not a fictional and non-fictional book. We can call it as comic books. And there is one conversation between Chiku Raj was the name of the bunny in the book.
Yes.
In which he is talking about his friends and relatives, and many more. There is one of his friend Fox. They both are talking. Means they both are conversing to to each other and talking about their future and all. And then on the front page, the book price is given 5 rupees, but as per the copies made by Champak, it's 15 rupees labeled. Then means in this book there are stories, then games, then conversation, small conversations, and many more interesting DIY things to make.
Then, very good.